Hey, Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff. Man, it's summertime. What is the best summertime vegetable? Corn, right? Corn season. Well, we're going to use some corn today and do something you may not have seen. Today, we're going to do corn party ribs. Oh my goodness, these things are so good, so easy, and actually quick to do. Serve these to your family or at a gathering, it'll be a hit. So, hang tight. All right, I don't have a herd to feed out of this, so I'm only going to do 3. This is just a normal ear of corn, still in the shuck. Pull one side down and then work on the other 2, and you will pull most of the silk with it. Now, I'm doing this outside. That way I don't get accused of making a mess in the house. But that's what we got the cook shack for, right? All right. There's 1. 2. And I find that if you just start at the top, you're going to get most of this off. And you see, I'm breaking that all off. Now, we are going to put these over fire. So, it'll be all right. Okay. Try and pull some of the stragglers off. Let me clean up my mess here. If you've watched the channel, you know me and messes go hand in hand a lot of times. But that's okay. As long as it turns out good food, right? All right. Let's get this out of the way. All right. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start on this end. I'm going to cut it off flat. I'm going to go to the other end. I'm going to cut it off flat. All right. I'm going to go down and start this in the middle and cut it in half, just like this. All right. There you go. It's quartered. All right. Let me get my mess cleaned up. I'll bring you right back. Okay, so I'm going to set these pieces out on this rack. Big one's over here. Smaller ones over here. And it's okay. You do these any way you want to. Bigger, smaller pieces. Even the best of us, it is not easy to get those cut like that. All right, next, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take my brush. This is melted butter. And I'm gonna brush these down. Get a nice coat of butter on them. You can use butter, pretty much any kind of oil you'd like to use. It's up to you. I just like the flavor that butter puts on corn, whether you're roasting it or really even baking it in the oven. Boil it. After you boil it, put butter all over it. All right. Make sure I get plenty. That's gonna help my seasoning stick. And I know the next question is, what's the seasoning? We ought to be able to guess that. The seasoning today is going to be Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. Oh my goodness. This is good stuff. As always, Cuff and Stuff approved. There you go. All right. I'm going to put a healthy little dose of Gator Shake on each one of these. Not hefty, but still a good coating. I want to taste that Gator Shake. Gator Shake has got a citrus pop to it that just goes perfect with sweet corn. All right, there we go. We've got them coated up. Let's get the fire going. I'll bring you right back. All right, as you see, I've got a 2-zone fire going on my little Weber. I've got 2 pieces of post oak going. I'm going to start these out on the cool side over here and basically just let them bake in this smoke, soak up this smoke flavor. Over here on the cooler side, there we go. All right, I'm gonna put the lid back on it. I'm gonna let this go a little bit, and as we check on it, I'll bring you back. All right, well, we've let these go, 15, 20 minutes or so, probably closer to 20 total. I want to take and just drizzle the rest of this butter over. That'll get down in. You see how it's starting to open up a little bit. So we've given it a little time to let some smoke in, and it has been smoky. These 2 chunks of wood I put in there are doing pretty good. So here's what's next. I'm going to take and put these side by side. I want to get a little char on them, so I'm going to turn them corn side down, right over that direct heat. Now, because I've got such a little space over there, I'm not going to be able to do them all, but I can do all of the big ones at one time. All right. What are we getting? Yeah, we're getting a little char. All right. Let's set these over here. Oh yeah. Just let that one get a little more. That one's good. Let that one get a little more. And process, let's put some more of these over here. All right. We moved it back off the direct heat and have let them go about another 5 minutes. We put the last of the butter on them. But here we go. Let's take them off. That little bit of char just caramelizes this corn. Oh my goodness. Makes it so good. Come on, let's go over to the table. All right, there we go. That is our corn party ribs. We've let them cool off and take just a little swash of butter. I want to hit it one more time with this Uncle Steve's. Shake. And there we go. If you were here, this would be yours. It's unreal what this does. It's hard to describe the flavor. It's barbecued corn, 100%. That Uncle Steve's, banging. Clean bite. I don't know what to tell you. Next time you got people coming, you're gonna cook on the grill, doesn't matter, hot dogs, hamburgers, whatever. Get you a few ears of corn and do this. You will not believe how good it turns out. Listen, thanks for sticking around. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe. I'll have another video just for you right over here. How about ring that bell, give me a thumbs up, hype the video, something new. Until next time, hang tight and be good to one another. Hang tight.